New tonight, JSO says the field testing kits that officers use to test suspected cocaine are giving false positive results. I'm Tanika Hughes.
I'm John Bachman. JSO says that they have used these test kits for decades. Action News Jack's Annette Gutierrez is live in the studio now, and Annette, JSO says that they have stopped using these test kits now.
That's right, Tanika. John, the Scott Company of Texas created these kits that you see right here. And it was during a drug investigation in the Duval County Jail that a JSO narcotics detective discovered the false positive results. Yesterday, a JSO detective noticed multiple over-the-counter substances were coming up positive when they were clearly not cocaine. JSO says they've used Scott Company field testing kits for cocaine for over a decade, and until now, they never had any issues. The CEO of Scott Company told Action News Jax that they're running diagnostic tests, adding these tests aren't infallible. Our law and safety expert Dale Carson previously worked for the FBI and now works as a defense attorney. He says one false positive can leave a permanent stain on a person's life.
The person now has a criminal record for a felony arrest, and there's no way to remove that arrest from the system ultimately.
He says the substance is taken to an FDLE lab, and it takes 30 days to receive the results. So even if the person is innocent, they will have to suffer the consequences.
When this process is ongoing, the individual who has been identified improperly with a bad field test for contraband is either in custody or they've had to pay a substantial bond to a bail bondsman in order to get out of custody.
JSO says these kits were exclusively used as presumptive field tests, not for evidentiary purposes at criminal trials. Carson says despite this, an arrest has a lasting effect.
As soon as you're tagged with an arrest, not necessarily a conviction, but an arrest, you are denied employment and opportunity in a massive way for the rest of your life.
And JSO utilizes other test kits for other controlled substances. Currently, JSO has no indication of any lack of efficacy or reliability of other field testing kits. JSO has also stopped using the Scott Company's product and will explore new product options. For local coverage you can count on, live in studio, Annette Gutierrez, Action News Jax.
All right, so most law enforcement field tests for cocaine use a chemical called cobalt thiocyanate. It turns blue when it's exposed to cocaine, but it can give a false positive because it also turns blue when exposed to more than 80 other compounds. Those include acne medications, several laundry detergents, and some common bathroom cleaners.